North India is leading the country's economic growth, with diverse industries and rapidly modernizing Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Technology is playing a crucial role in transforming these sectors. Emerging technologies like virtual prototyping and blockchain are transforming the auto ancillary industry. Join Express Computers Technology Senate North Edition, India's leading CIO forum, to learn how to future-proof your IT infrastructure and leverage emerging technologies to realign your business with the post-COVID environment. Hear from CIOs who have tackled challenging projects and learn best practices for disaster planning and enterprise security. Attend workshops on cloud security, migration, and hybrid workplaces. Connect with industry leaders, exchange ideas, and learn how to apply the latest solutions and business insights. Join us at the Technology Senate North Edition.